Hello, good evening, everybody. Yep, we're back again. So I think it will be good morning in New York time. The market really looking very, very, very good. So I think um, at this point, this is a really good time for buying. I don't know if you like look gold market since the morning. So I just mark the point that I entry, and then right around here I close my position, and then I think it's a good it's a good opportunity to re-entry in here, and then yep, it's keep going up, guys. So I believe it will be break until this point, and then after that point I think you can take your I think you can take all your profit, because the candle not really moving on after this. If it does, that will be great. So we have another area that I think that will be the next support. So sorry, wait. Okay, so yeah, gold market is looking good now, looking good. So if you guys were with me yesterday, I told you to wait at this point. So this is yesterday our entry point. So we around here I told you guys to re-entry, because this is the second entry if you want to entry. And then that here in that candle, the 3 candle down, I think you can take your profit, your first profit, you can take it over here. So and then yeah, if you take your profit, that will be good, and then congratulations to you. So you make a good profit. So but if you don't take your profit right around here, probably you got really anxious because the candles start going green. But as I told you yesterday, the market's still going down, guys. It's just like a fake movement that they make a really uncomfortable feeling that if you guys have open position yesterday, but eventually it goes way down. All right, so that's okay. So eventually it goes way down from the point that I told you guys to take the profit, and then goes down right around here. So in that area, I already open position, and then I'll take about 70, I think 17 million, 17,000. I'm sorry, 17,000. So I think I'm gonna try to open position right here. So if you knew, this is the first resistance area. So we try to make our position like all right. So let's go with the small. All right. Oh no, this is not this one. All right, that one. Okay. So let's see. Okay, we try to our 100k account. So yep, that will be gold. All right, so I think everything's look good in the 5-minute time frames. So we start open our position. All right, let's see. All right, so we open bunch of a couple position because I think just about 3 position is okay for us. So yeah, so that's the position that I'm in. I'll mark my position. Let's all right, so let me mark my position right around here. I'm gonna give that the green color for entry. So I think it's still good to entry this at this point. Yeah, it might take us a little bit longer to make a profit, but I believe if we do well, I think is a good profit to have. Yep. All right, so entry here. Right, so I put it my entry here. So for now, it's not really look really good, but we have a confidence. Yeah, we have confidence because I already break the first super point. So yep, that would be good for us. Yeah. All right, it's the you keep go up. Yep. All right. All right. You know the candles. It will be look like. All right. So we have a big green in our area, so that will be good for us in gold. So yeah, the gold market for the last, I think from the last week, gold market is really not looking good because the movement is very unpredictable, and then all the candles look weird for me. It's not readable, but I think today is a good day. So if you follow my account on TikTok, on Instagram, I believe I post something. So I talked to a good friend of mine that do this of forex trading around about almost 15 years now. So he told me to do a bit experience about leverage that I have, and then about the position that I open. So usually, I just go with 1.50 leverage, so or 1.20 leverage. So he told me that leverage is our advantage to use, so you might need to use it to bet on to open position on that the market that you're really certain of. Yeah. So I just make a bunch of analysis, and then this morning I try to go with the unlimited leverage. So I end up buying I think I end up buying 220 lot in gold, and then well, you can check on my Instagram, guys. I post the video what I got, and then to be completely honest with you, it's not. I mean, like, that's the first feeling is so amazing, because getting like 50 plus K in like a single trade, that would be amazing. Yeah, I know that would be like a big risk, because I'm not really advise you to do something that I do it, but I just sharing to you the thought that I have, because a friend of mine told me like the leverage is something that advantage to a trader. So if a trader doesn't use leverage, so I think that will be the first mistake, because the way the money work, you need to go big sometime when the market that you're really certain. Yeah, as you can see, the market kept going up, so we now up. All right, I'm gonna just like screen capture it. Okay, we now up 2000 now. We have a 2002.2 K on profit, but we still keep going. I believe the market will be strong enough. At least the weekend will be touch this line, and then that's it, guys. So at this point we have 3.8 now, 4, 5. We have a 6,000 already. Wow, guys. No, oh my God. Okay, don't be greedy. All right. Now I up to 10,000. Now, okay, all right. So the movement of the candle is very all right. So I think that's it for me, guys. 9.6 thousand. Okay, 9.6 thousand. I'm out. Whoo. Right. So we already got like 9.6K this trading. So I think we just about live trade for 9 minutes, and then yeah, we got like a good profit. I believe the candles still go up, guys. If you have this entry point right around here, and then no worries, you can take your profit here, but be alert and be cautious about every decision that you make, because it may be end up not really good for you, but I might be wrong. Don't I mean like I might be wrong, but you know, every decision that I made, I will own it. So yeah, I already got like right. So I will say, I will okay. I will let me see if I can show it to the camera. All right. So wait. Okay. So all right. All right. 9.7. I don't know if I can. Okay. So right. Okay. So I don't know if uh if you can see this. Let's see. Okay. All right. So can you see it? I think let me. Okay. Can you see it in the camera? So the profit that I have, yeah, that's the profit that we have, 9.6 thousand. Yeah, that will be good for us for now. And then we look for another opportunity, guys. So yeah, I'm very happy. Yeah, you know, today has been a blessing day. Today is been nothing but great day. So yeah, can't complain. So I think if you have the entry, I think you're probably gonna cut loss in here. As you know, I mean, if you know me, like I really cut my losses very tight. So I'm not really hanging around with the floating loss because I hate floating loss. You know, um, as a trader is very probably give you thrilling to see your floating loss and come back as a profit, but trust me guys, that's a dangerous game to play. Just don't do it. Don't recommend it. And you know, just if the position that you entry and then you have like spare of a stop loss, and then that's it. After that, move on. If the market continue to go up after this, if I think here's the thing, okay? I think here's the thing is a very good strategy on my personality. You know, if I knew that I will lose at this point, you see, if I knew like I already lost at this point, and then okay, I will be stop the loss. I'll stop the loss, and then look again the candle. If I really certain that the candle will be go up again, I will open another position right at the end of the loss. You know, like right at the end of the candle, the red candle. I mean, like after that candle, probably like they're like probably like a big candle, right? If I'm But this is a big if, guys. But if I think that the candle really will go up and far as I predicted, and then I open another position, no worries. So the main point is I stop the loss and then put another position. That is the best strategy and work for me. But yeah, hey, I believe you have another strategy that you really work with. So no worries, just trust your instinct, guys. You know, in trading is very important for you to trust the gut, to trust the feelings, because you know, it's your money anyway, and that will be your risk anyway. So yeah, but my advice is, you know, just stop the loss and then reopen position if you sure the market will be like swing back or will be go up again. All right, let's I just completely like buzz right now because we have like I mean like we live stream about 9 minutes and we have already almost 10K in profit. So it's a blazing day, guys. It's a blazing day. So the thing is for me, like if any of you guys like ask me, okay, how about I begin, I mean like how about I start my account on $100? What about I start my account in $50? What about I start my account in $1,000? I think it doesn't matter how much money that you put in first deposit, in first account. I mean like probably like $100, $200, probably like 1K, 2K. But the most important thing, like you really knew that you have a strategy, you have a stop loss percentage, you have a profit percentage. So if you do the calculation after you do long training, and then let's say you open account with $100, so and then that probably $100, if you stop every day for 10% profit, that will be like $10. And then if you stop loss in 5% loss, that will be $5. So at the end of the day, if you do the trading with like let's say 50% chance of winning rates, and then you end up with having probably like I don't know, $20, $30, probably around $50 too. But this is you to decide, is that $50 is worth your time in a month to do every strategy, to do, you know, all the stressful that you got from trading, all the thrilling feelings, all the, you know, the anxious feeling. Is that worth $50 a month? So if you think that, okay, all right, so it's not really the case, because it's not really worth my time for $50 a month, and then my advice will be like, save all your money, do intensive training, do a lot of research, do a lot of video watching, a lot of source, and then trying to make analysis, put in you know, in the simulations, and try to like open a demo account, and then try your strategy, try your analysis, try your thinking, and then right after you have like for me the ideal number would be like 3,000 US at least, because in that sense you have enough money to cover your monthly feeling, because the feeling that you get from trading is very I think it's mixed feeling. Yeah, I can't say that it's always happy, but sometimes you end up like feeling really fucked up. So you you end up really feeling like oh shit, I make a mistake. Oh, yeah, that all the bad feeling that you have, it's just you know, it's just some process that you need to go through, because as you know, I mean, I don't know if you already know or not, but trading is not really it's not really a lifestyle just to make like your side income. But if you want to do trading, you need to be focused, you need to make it like a real job. So in that sense that you can make money. Yep. All right, the market is still go up. Yeah, hopefully there is a couple of surprise for us tonight, but hopefully yeah, still go down. Oh wow. Ooh. Wow, that's really intrigued me, guys. You know, the up and down candle, and that's the thing that I told you guys, because the feeling of day trading is a very mixed feeling. You know, sometimes you get very anxious, sometimes you get very mad, sometimes you get very sad, and then probably another day you get very happy. Most of the day you got like very good feeling. So yeah, I think that's the calculation that you have to make, if the money that you get from trading is really worth your time in a month, or really worth really worth it, the effort that you put into the thinking. So yeah, move on with the market. I think we already marked our entry point here, and then let's see if the market does go up around here, and then that will be your profit taker. So I think is a good, I think it's about like wait, all right, here, and then you go, yeah, I think it's about 60 pips. 60 pips is a good money for you guys, so don't waste it. Like, let's see another market. Okay, so if you guys know me, I only trade in gold and euro Japan, but the euro is not no, not again, you know. This morning I think I stopped loss on probably around 1.5k in Japan yen. So I tried, the confirmation candle, that the fee candle. Sometimes I do wrong analysis too, guys. So don't worry, don't go hard with yourself. Okay, so the fee candle is the indication that the candle will be go up, because probably after the fee candle there will be another red, and then after red there will be a huge green. So I opened my position around here, and then because the fee is lining up, I think, okay, the fee is lining up, and then I just try, okay, that's another green, that will be good for us. And then the candle after that go green really really high, and then drop like really bad, and then after that end up being green. I say, okay, that will be still a good candle. And my TP is like around here, so I believe that will be go down, go up, and then suddenly I just left for I think we'll be like getting like snack or something, and then the market going boom. I end up losing like 1.5k in this euro and Japan yen. But yeah, not really a good. So I already marked the the support point. So I think this candle will be touch the support point, but it's not really. So it's still nothing really certain here. So there's not much we can do unless the market will be touch, the candle will be touch this line that I already marking. Yeah, unless it touch this line, and then okay, we can do like probably a good profit in open position of buying. Let's see our gold. Yeah, see, it's still go up, guys. It's still go up. But the way that, because I take my profit earlier, because I think, okay, just 9.7k is already enough. I mean, like, it's a lot of money. That's the thing about trading that I need to share with you, because in trading you really need like have the control of say enough to yourself. Sometimes you just have like a very very beautiful day, and then you got like a winning streak, and then every position that you make is every position that you entry, and then you make a profit. You in the winning streak, and then you feel like, okay, not enough, you can get more, and then it end up losing all the win that you have that day. I feel it, I've been there. Move on, because it's very unpleasant feeling to have. After that winning streak, the feeling is really good. Oh my god, I got this money, I can make it. And then suddenly, in the one wrong move, poof, everything's gone. That's the thing that about trading that you need really you really need to master, because having the greedy feeling is a human nature, I guess. Everyone feel it, everyone have it, so but not everyone can control it. So if you in a winning streak, I just give you an advice, guys. Just don't go to that road, because you might never come back. Because there is a saying that 90% of newbie trader is losing 90% of their money in the 90 days. And then that is not just a saying, that's a really complete truth. Because you're probably thinking, I probably the 10%, the next, the other 10%. But yeah, you need to feel it first. You need to do it, and then you knew how it goes. Sometimes really hard to tell. Really hard to tell. You knew a lot about the people personality from from the way they handle stress and trading. Because sometimes trading can be stressful, guys. You just hope you just don't woke up that day. If you have a bad day, I guarantee you that you really hope that you don't woke up that day. I mean, like, just let me sleep, just let it be just a dream. But that's the thing about trading, you know. Everyone have it. Everyone yeah. Everyone run through it. So don't beat up yourself, and then just move on and keep grinding. Yeah, the market really good. The market looks really good. I think at this point, you know, we don't play what if scenario, but at this point, I think it's a move more than like 600 pips, I guess. Let's see. All right, around here. All right, around here. Yeah, it's already gone like 200 plus pips, so that will be a good day. That will be a good day to everyone that hold open this position and then hold until this line. That will be a great time. So let's mark our entry. So that will be right. Yep. All right. Just yeah. All right. You know, is yeah. Everyone who have profit, congratulations, guys. You know, take your profit, enjoy the night. Just don't think about anything else, because you know, in a good day trading, you have like really good profit, and then just enjoy it. Work hard, play hard. You know, think the thing that they say: work hard, play hard. So yeah, we still believe that candle will be, you know, there is no reason for that candle to be like turning down right around there. But sometimes you can't really trust the candle. I think it must be like touch the line that we already marking here. All right, so that will be here. Let's put the text in here. All right. All right. All right. Okay, good. So yeah, this is you know, you can screen capture it, or if you want really, you want to have it, you can, you know, like have a good looking on it. Just take a picture of it. You know, if this candle go to this TP point, and then that thing will be good trading. So yeah, a lot of I think a lot of traders still open the position, and they don't really, you know, they don't really take the profit yet. Well, not just yet, because there is no reason for this candle to make a, you know, to make a return. If you see the RSI of this market, so according to the RSI, the market is overbought now. Is overbought now, and then just trying to, you know, like to move down, but I don't think they will be moving down, because a lot of area they didn't go really overbought. So if you see this graphic below here, so this is the RSI indicator. I use RSI sometimes for, you know, for the if if I have still a doubt in open the market, and then I use the RSI just to make a confirmation just for a little bit, but I don't really trust RSI because RSI graphic is a bunch of bullshit number, because it's not really reliable. But sometimes I do use RSI just to make a little bit confirmation, just make a little bit okay, that's convince me in a sense. So yeah, but majority of the time I don't look for the RSI because it's not really it's not really a good chart to look, because it just make you confused, just make you make you think that why the heck that you open that position, why the heck that you don't buy this one. Yeah, all the what if scenario. In this channel we hate what if scenario. We really have the ability to read the market, so we really confidence for what we do, and then that will be our key to conquer this trading business. Yep, it's still go green, guys. So for you, if you want to take the profit, just take the profit, and then I believe the candle still looks strong. Yeah, see, I thought the RSI not really dependable, because if you see earlier when I told you about the RSI, this line will be about the turn, and then now it's really like a bit straight. So RSI is not really something you can rely on it. It still go up. If we change the time frame into 1 hour, I believe it still goes straight green. Let's see, right? Yeah. So here, so I told you, so the TP has to be here, because there's no reason for a candle to turn now, or there is no reason to the candle to be reversal now. But if you have to touch this line, just okay, so just make it like TP, like automatic TP, that you put the number, like the price is around about 1927.626. So just put your TP there. I believe that will be end up TP. I believe that you will be end up taking your profit, because if you see the 1 hour candle is still have a room to grow. Yeah. In 1 day time frame is also going back to the way it used to be. This is the market this morning go down here. So, but yeah, we believe in the market, and then we believe with our capability. Wow, strong red. All right, guys, like I told you earlier, if you want to take your profit, just take it now. But it's okay. Sometimes the candle do scare you, because all the movement, all the but if you put the stop loss, this is the thing that I really do, like constantly. If I open a position and then I already profit about 1K, but it's not really the profit that I look for the day, and then I believe the candle still go up, and then I adjust my stop loss. So my stop loss is probably like around 5% till 10%, if I'm not really sure. But if I'm really sure, I will be put like 30% of it. But if I put my stop loss, let's say minus 10%, and then the candle just go up, and then already take $1,000 in profit, so I will move the stop loss. So I will stop the loss probably into like a $200 profit. So it's not minus anymore. So I move the stop loss to $200 profit. So let's say if I really like if the candle really go down, I still have like 200 profit, 200 buck profits in that trade. So it's still a good it's still a good it's still a good money than losing. So but I think rarely in my case that I will be like put my stop loss in 30%. It's very rare because I don't really do stop loss in 30% unless I'm very sure. The way that I'm assured at my first live streams, I think a weeks ago. That I'm really sure because I let the stop loss floating until 6,000 and then we have like 4.5k in profit. So yeah, that will be good for us. All right, chat. So it's still getting up. So I mean, like just do thinking about sometime. If you in the 15 minutes time frames, the candle could go up and down, up and down, up and down in that 15 minutes time frame. But there's nothing really. There's nothing that you can really do if you just stop the profit. If you just take the loss, it's okay. It's just your decision. But most of the time, from my experience, the floating is not really determinant where the candle will be go. But the end of the candle is really tell us where the candle will be go next. That's the thing that we need to assure. So if you have like a 15-minute time frame, as you can see in this area. So in this area you can see like another 2 minutes before the candle close. That the point when the candle close is very important for us because if it move, if it stop green and then will be another scenario. If it stop red and then we're gonna look what the other candle after that look like. If it look like very strong red, and then we might consider it because the trend is over, probably gonna do reversal now. But that's the thing that you have to make decision over time. You need to have that experience just to have the moment of decision that you can make. Otherwise you will be confused. See, like when we talked earlier, the candle will be strong red, but this doesn't matter. The candle end in a green zone or not. So no, you still have 1 minute. No, if it catch the button of the red, I think that will be the end of the trend. But if not, if it ending green, yeah, probably have a couple of more candle to touch the area that we mark in here. So that marking that we have, they probably gonna touch it in a couple of I think probably in the next 3 candle. But if it not, it's okay too. So we need the confirmation that okay, the candle end up being red. So what did that tell us? It tell us probably the next candle will be like if it's strong red, that will be like the reversal candle. So we need to really like we really make a good decision. That's in my case because I don't really make a decision in early candle because if I in like 15-minute time frame, I just let be that 15-minute goes, and then sometimes I look in 1-minute time frames where all the movement going, because I knew if I make a decision early on, sometimes the candle is just move bananas in early minutes. So just let it be. In my case, I will just let it the candle goes, and then let's see after that. But if it go really strong red, and then I recommended you. But hell, anyway, you have stop loss anyway, so you don't have to worry about losing a lot of money, because if you have a stop loss, there's nothing you need to worry about. All right, so we still good. We're still good. Yeah, still good. So if you still have your if you still have your position, I think it's is still good. Yeah. Like I told you, probably in the next few candle that will be touch the TP, but let's see if it does. But for me, I already get like 9.7k in profit, so tonight is a good night for me, guys. I think I'm gonna end up my live streams just about another 10 minutes, because my first son is have an exam tomorrow, so we already have a little bit study earlier, but I think that really important for me to tuck my to tuck my kid into the bed, so like give him a really nice good night story, and then we really like often we chat a little bit before he sleep, and then the chat is very important to me, because I really knew a lot of his personality from the chat that we have before he goes to sleep. So yeah, that would be good for me. Yeah. So guys, if you still open position, just let me know in the comment, and then let me know the result. But if you already take your profit, congratulations. Enjoy your day. And then if you have like a stop loss and end up like losing money, so sorry, because sometimes I just make a wrong decision. But yeah, if you guys goes with me since the beginning, you know that I'm just like doing day trading for the last three months now. So yep, I think just that's about it. So if you want to catch up with me in a daily basis, you can follow my Instagram. That will be in the I have to close my old Instagram, because because something weird happened, like multiple device login, but the device is not really my device. So yeah, and then I just delete the account, trying to resolve it, and then I just make a new account. So if you really like the way, like if you really like what I do here, and then the trade that I give, like the probably the chat that we have in live trade, you might need like you might need to support me by follow my Instagram and subscribe to this channel. Okay guys, whatever you do, please make sure